This is a short tutorial on how to register a new merchant using the OGI Gifts application. Download the OGI Gifts application from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. After you install it, log in with your OGI member or sub-franchisee credentials. Once inside the app, tap at the burger button, select Merchant Registration, choose Create New, tap on Upload Photo and select the picture that you have saved in your phone. Input the business name that will be displayed within the app for members to see. Choose Set on Map and search for the exact address of the store you are registering, as you can see here, and then click on Set. Input the phone number in the following format. Enter the website URL. You can use either HTTP, www, or even omit them. Write a short description of the merchant store. Input keywords that best describe the store's product or services. Create a username that the merchant will use to log in to their back office. Input an email address, and please double check as the verification email will be sent to this address. Enter a password that the merchant will use to log into the back office, and perform a final check before clicking on Create. Within a few minutes, the merchant should receive a verification email at the provided address. They will need to click on the verification link contained in this email. Once this step is completed, the merchant status changes to verified, and they can immediately access their back office at ogigifts.com/login, as you can see here. And they can immediately start creating gifts. Congratulations and welcome to the OGI Gifts community.